In this video, we are going to get started with Unity Ads integration. In order to implement ads, we need to know when to apply an ad, and we need to know what happens when they watch that ad. So for our game, when our player is collecting gems, they're going to make their way to the shop, and they're not going to have enough gems to purchase anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a button that says, click here for 100 gems. They're going to watch a video ad, and upon successful completion of that video ad, we're going to then award them 100 gems. So to do this and to get started, we need to first create that button. So let's open up our shop panel and enable it. We're going to create a button right above here on the top above this 200 Gs that's going to say click here for 100 gems, and that's going to trigger an ad. So to get started, let's create this button. Select the buy item button and let's duplicate it by selecting it and hitting Control D or Command D if you're on a Mac. From here, let's rename it to Unity Ads button. Once we've done that, let's go ahead and position this button to above the 200G. So about right here. Once you've done that, let's change the text from buy item to click here for 100 gems. I'm going to do this in all caps. So click here for 100G. Once we have that, let's go ahead and center it. And once you've done that, it's a little big inside there, so I'm going to shrink it down to about 28 font size. That looks a lot better. From here, let's go ahead and give a little bit of gamification to this, so that's not just a boring blue button. Let's make it stand out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the actual button, and in here we have a color property. Let's go and make this a green. And you'll see here that now it kind of sticks out and it says click here for 100 Gs. You'll click that and then it will take you to a Unity ad, which we can then award 100 Gs for watching. The last thing we want to do before we get into Unity ads is let's disable the current button functionality. On this button, it has an on-click event for the buy item because we duplicated it. You want to make sure that you select it and then remove it. Once you've done that, select your shop panel and make sure it's disabled. Save your scene, and we're ready to set up Unity ads. I'll see you in the next video.